Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how I made this super cool Fortnite costume. You'll need scissors, a pen, pencil, or a Sharpie, a stapler, needle and thread, a ruler, some glue. You can use Elmer's glue or you can use hot glue. You're also going to need some masking tape, some foam sheets, gift tissue, felting strap. You're also going to need orange fabric, or you can use an orange scarf, green gloves, a pair of old pants that you don't care about cutting because we're going to cut a hole in the middle. Here I have a cheap pillow that I bought in Walmart for like $2 or $3, something like that. And I'm going to use the stuffing from here for the legs that are going to hang from the llama. And we're just going to use a pair of tights to stuff it, and then we're going to put it inside the pants. And then this is optional. If you want to glue the foam sheets, how I'm going to teach, make sure you use a old pair of sneakers too. And you're also going to need some really lightweight shoes because these are going to hang. And you're also going to need cardboard. So I've been copying a picture, the loot llama, on my phone, and I've been kind of just freehanding it. Alright, so this is my finished sketch. I'm gonna cut it and then trace it and cut the cardboard. Alright, and there he is. And now I am just gonna trace. I'm gonna put it close to the edge right here so I don't waste a lot of cardboard. So I'm not going to trace the ears or the teeth because the teeth I'm going to cut out of foam sheets, and then the ears I'm going to make them separately out of cardboard. And now I'm just going to start cutting the cardboard. And we're going to cut 2 of these. For the back of the llama, I cut a 12 by 13 piece of cardboard. The size depends on, obviously on the person that's gonna go in the llama. Then I'm gonna cut 2 pieces of cardboard that are 6 inches wide and 25 inches long. So for the ears, I just drew what I wanted it to look like, and then I cut 4 pieces out of cardboard. And then for the middle part, I cut a piece, a 16-inch long piece by 2 inches wide. So now I'm gonna take some glue and I'm gonna apply it to the edge of the strip that we cut, and then we're just gonna start gluing it together, starting at the bottom of the ear. Then I'm gonna add more glue in here, and then I'm gonna glue the other piece. And all we're doing is just taking the middle strip and wrapping it around the ear. And we'll be doing the same thing with the body. So now I'm just gonna put tape along the edges. Then you should have your 2 ears. That'll go like that. Alright, so right now we're gonna attach the back to the body. We're gonna do the same thing we did with the ears. I'm gonna glue up along the edges and then attach the body to it. I'm gonna put tape inside the corners. I'm gonna do that inside and outside. So you should have something that looks like this. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna glue and start attaching and then start forming the shape. So this is what the front looks like. I decided to switch from masking tape to duct tape just to make it a little bit stronger. And now I'm going to glue it to the top, like that, and then I'm going to tape it. I'm just going to attach the ears. I'm going to hot glue the ears on like this, and then I'm going to put tape over the ears also. And then here I'm also going to put tape inside the mouth so that the piece that I'm going to put in there can have somewhere to rest. Alright, so after adding the ears, I duct taped them after gluing them. And then this is what I have left. So here I have the tissue paper, and I fold it in half this way, the long way. And then I'm going to fold it in half again this way. And on this side also. And then I'm going to cut down the center. And I'm going to cut down the center again of this paper. Now we're going to take our staple gun and we're going to staple the papers together. So now I'm going to take the straps and I'm going to staple it onto the box. So since the head hangs out when she has it on, I'm going to put a piece of ribbon and I'm going to cover this with tape. So for the head, for the face, I just took some tissue paper and I kind of traced around the face up to right here, right where the body stops. I'm going to glue this onto this. And I'm just going to wrap it around like that. And I'm going to go around the whole head. Once we are done with the face and the neck of the llama, I'm gonna start gluing tissue paper on the cardboard like I did here. You can use hot glue or you can use Elmer's glue, it doesn't matter. And then after you glue it, I would put tape just for extra security. Alright, so I'm done with this side and then I'm just gonna repeat the same thing around the whole llama. So once we're done putting all the tissue paper on the side, we're just gonna make little slits. And then what I'm doing here is the bottom tissue, I'm not cutting it because since I put the masking tape on the bottom, I don't really want to show it, so I'm just doing the few layers. Now I'm going to grab the tights and the pillow and I'm going to take the cotton out of the pillow and I'm going to stuff the tights with them. So once you're done, you should have something that looks like this. I know it looks a little silly. And now I'm going to take the stockings and put them inside the pants. So now I'm going to put the straps that are in the llama through the hole that's in the pants. And I'm just gonna see more or less where I want the legs to sit. And now I'm gonna place it where I want and I'm going to start stapling it on the inside. I placed it where I wanted it and then from the inside, I started stapling it to the box. And make sure you use a lot of staples. You can also use a heavy duty glue. So I'm gonna do that all around and then that's it, we're done. We're ready to glue the parts to the face and put the shoes on the pants and that's it. Alright, so I went ahead and I cut the foam pieces that I need for the face and now I'm just gonna finish the eyeball. I'm gonna put the pupil where I want it. And now I'm going to take a piece of foam sheet and I'm going to glue it inside the mouth. And then I'm going to cut the excess paper. And now I'm just gonna glue some nostrils. And for the teeth, I just took a strip of foam sheet and I'm just gonna glue it inside the mouth. Alright, so for the scarf, I just cut a piece of fabric and I'm gonna fold it, and then this is what we're gonna wrap around her neck. And then this one, I just cut another piece, and this one is gonna be the one for the arm. And then here we have some gloves, and we're just gonna cut the fingers off. We're not gonna cut them all the way down, but we're gonna go like about halfway. We're gonna take our old shoe and we're gonna glue on the grass. Here I have some green foam sheets, and I just cut some slits in it to make it look like grass, and now I'm just gonna glue it to the sneakers. And as you can see, I'm just twisting it to give it more shape and more movement. For the tail, I'm just gonna get some of the streamer, wrap it around a few times. And then I'm just gonna use that for the, I'm gonna cut in between the holes, and then I'm gonna use this as a tail. Okay. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.